Restores like new steering. Patented pressed-in coverplate seals out debris and minimizes looseness, reducing bearing wear and promoting longer life. GREASEABLE socket reduces corrosion and wear by allowing new lubricant to flush contaminants. Absorbs impact. Belleville preload washer helps keep the bearing package tight as bearings wear. Problem solver gusher bearing. Metal-to-metal design provides strength and allows grease to flow through bearing surface for reduced friction and long life. Strong and durable. Ball studs are heat-treated to match or exceed OE requirements to inhibit premature failure and improve fatigue strength. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG outer tie rod ends deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. Top reviews from the United States. Very good quality, good deal.